Hello everyone, this is Muhim, your young instructor, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Young Instructors. Today, once again, I'm with you to explore the language and delve deeper upon the English language. As you know, what is language? But moving forward to the explanation in language, what is a language? A language is a system of communication which is almost used by human beings, and it allows us to explain or express our ideas, thoughts, expressions and emotions. After moving forward to language, we must know what are the building blocks of a language. We have the first block, which is our phonology. Phonology is derived from a word which is phonemes. Phonemes is a single unit of a sound determined or explained in a language. If we move forward to the explanation of phonology, then we can say that phonology is a study of the system in English language which deals with the sound system of a language. As usual, we can say that alphabets or combination of alphabets produces a sound. That sound is known as our phonemes. Moving forward to the morphology, we must know what is morphemes. Then morphemes are the words. It means it deals or focuses in the internal structure of a words. Of a word, like we can say that in word we have their internal structures, how they are constructed and what sounds, what pronunciation they are containing. Then after that, combination of words, move forward to the syntax. Sentence is a combination of words, means it is having the words which are combined to construct our phrases, clauses or sentences. In sentences, after moving forward to sentence, they have composition like our paragraphs, our essays or our other articles etc. Then having this syntax, then syntax is based upon having the, almost we can say that it's having the 85% of the language scenario which is based upon our syntax. Then after that, we have the brief history of English language. Then English is the most spoken language in the world. We can say, according to the research of 2023, 1.46 billion people speak English language in the world, and the ratio of speaking English in the world is 80 to 20%. Then from the history, English is a West Germanic language which was originated from Anglo Saxon or Jute. These three were the tribes which invaded Britain in 5th century. After onward, then 5th century, they invaded Britain and they were having the combination of simple English word. We can say that the Old English, also known as our Anglo-Saxon. Then Anglo-Saxon is the old name of English language which was originated from Anglo-Saxon and Jute tribes which invaded the Britain in 5th century. English language is also influenced by the French, Latin and Norse language which are still existing in this world. English is a language which is evolving, devolving and having the evolutions in it and having the same page or same side we are seeing today. After the brief history of English language, we are moving forward to the importance. What is the importance of English language? Then as we know, a brief or simple history of English language, where it has originated and what it has been influenced by, we are moving forward to the importance of English language. Then importance of English language is, first thing is that it is our international language and it is used internationally. If the record is saying that 1.46 billion people are speaking, the ratio is 18 to 20%. It means it is the first most spoken language in the world, and it is the language of schools, business, educations and our diplomacy. While countries are negotiating with the other countries, they use the first language which is known as our English.